Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and today I'm bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. This one is going to be blinking sound effect. Now in movies, they do actually do a sound effect for people blinking, but it's just so subtle and so quietly done, you don't always notice it. But you can use this sound effect to make your films extra subtle, yet still professional. So let's play that blinking sound effect. Blee, 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 blee. Blee, 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 blee. Blee, 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 blee. Ugh. Did you know that blinking too much is bad for your eyes? Ugh, I gotta stop that.